how to delete trip history on Uber. You want to load up the Uber app. Once you have the app open here, make sure you are signed into the correct account, and you just click on activity at the bottom and you should see the rides here. Press and hold on to the ride that you want to delete or swipe to the left. That's going to be the first method, and you will see a remove ride option. Now, you can't fully delete all of the rides on your Uber app because there's a privacy policy and Uber needs to keep track of them for 7 years, about 7 years. But what you can do, another thing that you can do is go into your account. And if you want to completely clear all of your history, you click on your profile icon in the top right, then privacy and data, and then privacy center, and here you can close your account, but obviously that's just going to remove your account altogether, as well as clear your ride history. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.